Abortion is healthcare. Abortion is healthcare. Abortion is healthcare.
Faith about believing that more is possible and that
we demand our voices be heard today.
I got my abortion for free. Since then, I've spent my life working for women and girls around the world. I'm supporting my community.
My daughter, I'm here supporting her. I believe it's her choice, and I believe it's her body.
Their choice. Their choice. Their choice. Their choice. Their choice. My choice. My choice. My choice.
I live in a red state right now, and it's very important for me that we separate church and state, especially in the red states. We're fighting for our health care, our reproductive rights, and our bodily autonomy today. It's important for us and the next generation.
As men, we are part of the problem, and we have to stand up, and we have to be allies in this.